It is my great privilege to welcome you to this iftar dinner at the White House. Ramadan is a holy month for Muslims here in the United States and all across the world. During this month of worship, Muslims fast from sunrise to sundown and focus on prayer and spiritual life to deepen their devotion to God. Ramadan is a time of charity, of giving, and service to our fellow citizens. Ramadan is a very special time. It's a time to draw closer as families, neighbors, and communities. This evening, our thoughts are also with the religious believers who have endured many trials and hardships in recent weeks. It's been a very rough period of time. Our hearts are filled with the grief for Muslims who were killed in their mosques in New Zealand, as well as the Christians, Jews, and other children of God who were slain in Sri Lanka, California, and Pittsburgh. In their blessed memory, we resolve to defeat the evils of terrorism and religious persecution so that all people can worship without fear, pray without danger, and live by the faith that flows from their heart. With that, I would like to wish every Muslim in America and around the globe Ramadan Kareem.